Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some unboxing to do and I'm telling you, these were sent way back when and I don't know why I haven't got to them, but when was this even sent to me? June 4th. Holy guacamole. Let's open this box right here from Pixi. Ooh, looking like you, only better in no time. Okay, well, I like that. Pretty much a ton of eye products from Pixi. It is getting hot in here. This is like my third video I'm doing. And by the way, I love their little, they packaged it all nicely. Okay, we got a lot here. Should I swatch? Should I not? I mean, I should, or else why am I even recording this video for you guys, right? Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. There are 4 eyeliner shades right here that you can use as an eyeshadow base, you know, by prepping your eyes, or you can use it as an eyeliner. You can use it on the top or you can use it on the bottom. I'll go ahead and show you guys what the swatches look like and I'll name them each. So you guys can see there's 4 different shades. This is a nice brown tone. This is a nice gold tone. This is like really metallic-y. I'm really loving this. And then this is a nice lavender shade, and then this right here is a navy blue. Let me actually show you how this like just glides on. It's so gorgeous. All right, next I have 2 more pencils. This is a black kohl eyeliner pencil, and then this is an Eye Bright eyeliner that you use to tight line just like your waterline to help brighten it up. So the last 2 products, or 3 products from Pixi in this packaging. One is a mascara, and this is the large lash mascara. It's a volumizing mascara. This one's a lash line ink pen. It's practically a pen eyeliner. And then this one is also a mascara, but this is a mascara primer. So you put this on first and then you apply this one afterwards. So let's go ahead and move on to the next Pixi package. I wonder, this looks like it's going to be really, really nice. What it is. Whoa, Pixi Petra Glow in a Box. You open it like this. Wow. Thank you so much, Pixi. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Okay, I gotta take a picture of this. All right, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god. I literally just got smacked in the face. If you guys don't know about the Liquid Fairy Lights, wait, what? Yeah, the Liquid Fairy Lights lip gloss. You're missing out. You guys, these aren't even lip gloss. That's so crazy. It's an eyeshadow. What? Okay, yeah, it's a ultra sparkling liquid eyeshadow. Why don't I read this stuff? Anyways, so this shade right here is a very beautiful silver shade. It's like a silverish white shade, and you can kind of see the sparkle. So this would be as an eyeshadow, like you could top your eyeshadow off with this and it will give it a really beautiful glitter wet type of effect. Okay, so I went ahead and swatched them all over my hand. There is 5 different shades. As you guys can see, it's super reflective and very, very glittery. It kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy and like the glitters that they have. This one is the silver one. It's called Crystalline. This one is the gold one. It's called Sunray. This one is called Bare Brilliance. And then this one is a rose gold, and that's exactly what it's called. It's called rose gold. And then this one is called Passion Light. And then of course there's also the highlighters. One is called Subtle Sunrise, and this one's called Delicate Dew. This has more, I mean, I don't know what the difference is, but maybe if I swatch them, I can kind of figure it out. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Let me just like, you already know I like my glow, so So, oh, honeydew. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is amazing. This is the Delicate Dew one right here. And then they also have the Subtle Sunrise. This is more like bronzy and gold. It definitely has more warm undertones. This one is more like of a red undertone. So you can see this one's more pink and this one's more like bronze, but like more of a red undertone bronze. All right, guys, last one is from Dermalogica. Let's see what they sent me. Dermalogica in the house. It's in a nice little bow. Let me show you guys. Well, it was a bow until I opened it, but. Oh, okay. We got the, oh my god, they already sent me this stuff. Wow, they already sent me the pre-cleanse. I have all of this stuff already. They sent me all this stuff already. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna do a giveaway. Might as well. I'm gonna be giving away this entire Dermalogica package because I have all of these products: the Hydro Blur Primer, the Pre-Cleanse, the Daily Microfoliant, and the Phyto Replenish Oil. So, hey, if you're a Dermalogica fan and you want to win these goodies right here, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'll have a video on that really soon. I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting to do a giveaway on my channel for the longest time, and I actually have a box of goodies in the back of a ton of makeup that I was like, I'm gonna give away, and it was like in my glam bag when I went to Ipsy like last year. That pretty much wraps up this little, it's not a haul, I was about to call it a haul, but this little unboxing. I feel like I had a lot of products today, and yeah. I will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that video. A thumbs up if you liked my little unboxing video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite product was and what you want me to try out and review first. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.